There is the Kinesis Producer Library, the KPL, and it is a managed library at AWS to let you publish data to the Kinesis Data Stream. And it's located here on GitHub. I'm going to tell you, this thing is super hard to use, especially if you are not great at Java like I am. AWS does have examples, but you are going to be pulling out your hair getting this implementation to work. But imagine once this works, it's not that big of a deal. So when you need to send multiple records per second, this is when you're going to be using KPL. When you need your producers to vertically scale by 100 times, when you need a producer that is highly efficient of underlying compute resources, when you're going to be using KPL. And so here is a very simple of example of using the KPL. The most important thing I highlighted there is the add user record. So if you're carefully looking at that, you can see that is how it's not called put record, it's called add user record for whatever reason. Yeah, I just found this to be extremely hard to implement, even with all the examples that AWS has. So if I do have a lab that has KPL, you should thank me for it because it's super hard to do, okay?